Hi my country people, how na dey? So today I don't carry another better update carry come. So today I want make we compare two different survey platforms, make we see how they which one better pass which one, because plenty survey platforms on there, and recently you be like say then they follow me because I don't they do plenty survey, as in I don't do survey recently, but most of them they work sha, and I don't they see some of their result. And if you want to see as I dey take answer my survey questions, make you check my Selim account, selim.com/solidpictures.tv. Don't worry, we go talk about that one later. Get one new update where I see this particular update say if they use them, they do one or two online work, they collect one or two for yourself. I say make we check them out, make we see as in they, make we see their earning potential, make we see if in they okay or they okay. I beg before I continue, make say this one no be financial advice. So me, I no be financial advisor. This one I just my review. I just want to share my opinion for here. I will make we just see as in day. You say you fit share your own opinion for comment section. And if you see me for the first time, my name is Solomon. Yeah, when I see updates, I will come here and share and make we talk about and make we see as the update day. If in the okay to use, I be no the okay to use. And if you want to collect update for my, make sure you like this video, share this video, and make sure you subscribe for my channels. Make sure you comment where you watch this video from for comment section. I go really appreciate you now if you do that one for me. Oh yeah, make we see as this survey platform there, and we go see the pros and the cons where I don't see so far, and we go compare them to another survey platform where I don't they use for some time, and we go see their earning potential. We go see how they this particular survey here, then they call them NiceSurvey. Earn money by sharing your opinion with paid surveys. See this here. Want to earn extra from home to cover gas or other expenses, sign up now. Now you need to understand, say most people with their mindset when they see survey platforms, then go talk say they find survey platform make I do so that I get at the owe person money, make I just do this survey so that I go see money go pay the person. No kind of mindset. If you kind of mindset, you go struggle for survey or even any online platforms like this, because you're supposed to take this kind of platforms like side hustle. People won't use these platforms to replace their daily job, which they possible. You understand? This one's not side hustle. I know say dollar and naira no be the same thing, because you get some kind of amount of money we go earn for dollar. If you convert them to naira, na big money. Make say surveys no come to replace your job. Surveys not just side hustle. So what they see then say earn extra from home. Earn extra from home to cover gas or other expenses. Make your mind they tell you say surveys now for extra cash, no be for to replace your job. They get paid under 10 minutes. That's number one. Highest survey completion rate, works for everyone. Make we take note of everyone. It is very important. And they say get paid under 10 minutes. Every platform then they promote themselves. They say na them be highest, so we never see them first. So now so their interface they did very simple, and based on what they see here, let's say their payment option here now through gift card and so on and so forth. Everybody loves NiceSurvey. They get app for Google Play Store and for Apple Store based on what me and they see here. You understand? So make we check out their app. Make we see when they release their app. Me I go drop my opinion. So this is their app, right? This is their app for Google Play Store get 4.3 stars. Sorry, with over 6,000 review, and they get over 100,000 download. Now we didn't get from Google Play Store alone. No, I don't know about App Store. You understand? That one for people who get iPhone. You understand? Now this app was released on the 17th of May 2025. I don't know how long their website on there, but based on what me I see here from Google Play Store directly, na new app and I'm this. Alright my people, so as I signed up my account now the first thing why I see is I get to survey. I say they see for my screen. So and the first one I didn't get 7 reviews, the other one get 71 review. And you see after I don't try to complete the survey, see waiting, then they tell me say unfortunately you were not qualified for the survey. I just click on done. So they say I no qualify for the survey, but they give me 1 cent. Sometimes I discover say for you to answer survey, you actually need to build a profile, and this profile be say you need to create a certain profile for yourself, because you get some certain categories of question where they won't make you answer in a certain way. If you don't answer them for that way, then they go disqualify you. Waiting can they be say they no get plenty surveys right here based on what they see, and based on my location they no can get plenty surveys. Now another thing I notice be that, and secondly now 2 survey why I get, they don't already disqualify me for one. So the other one I just have to calm down. Now another thing I can't see here be say their minimum withdrawal, they say complete more surveys. So their minimum withdrawal here now just $2.5, you understand? And the available payment method for me based on my location now Visa. So now the available payment method be that Visa, and the minimum Visa here now if you come up with $1, if you come up with $5 or $10 and so on. Based on time what I don't spend for this platform already, what be the thing with me I fit tell what are some of the things I like and the things I don't like. Well, I never to spend too much time with them because I just discovered the platform recently, just like I said earlier. But based on what I see here, their navigation is easy. That's one thing I like. Their sign up process, they very, very easy. Now another thing I like be that. Another thing I can't like be say now Visa and gift card where they can get me say anybody if you use them and the survey a platform they available. But the things I don't like be say they don't already disqualify me already, so that is already discouraging. Plenty surveys know the platform and other tax know they available where if you do, because some platforms they will be say even if survey know they get other things so if you do make you they collect, you understand. Now if I want compare this platform, I go compare them with Multipoll. I go tell you say Multipoll beat this platform hands down. This one I know they promote anything, I just they tell you based on my experience because I don't use the both of them. I don't complete their surveys. I fit tell you as in they work. Multipoll beats this particular platform hands down because Multipoll number one, then they use Naira reward you. Number two, their survey they off to negotiate 700 Naira, 1,000 Naira, 2,000, 15, 14, 12, 800, 500 surveys they are available. Plenty time and they get notification. Now me self not even complete survey for Multipoll because I don't really get too much time, but then get steady survey for Multipoll. Now waiting I fit tell you be that, and I don't collect small money from my wallet, and then they to disqualify you for surveys. This one na Naira they use, they pay you. This one na dollar. This one the minimum withdrawal here na just $2.5. Multipoll the minimum withdrawal na around 12,000 and be 15,000 Naira. So now the difference na be that. So once you get 15k and above from Multipoll, if you come out your money, this one are just $2.5, you understand? So if you check the one way they more easier for you. And another thing, Multipoll, even if survey no they get offers where if they play games, do download apps, do other things they collect. I just say make I bring this one here, make we see us in the. But if you want to see us, me at the complete survey because at the use survey platforms where if you want to see us at the complete surveys from other platforms, make sure you join me on cirrden.com/solidpicturestv. I will show you how me I take the complete my own survey and how survey platforms they work for me. So this platform then they call them NiceSurvey. This other one they call them Multipoll Surveys. Tell me the one we go like try for comment section. I go see you now for my next video and bye for now.